Manipulating attributes. In this section, we will manipulate attributes by adding fields and updating values. For example, we have KRG cities layer with the city population area and type. We added the field zip code, adding a zip code field and updating values. From QGIS.PyQt.Qt core, import QVariant and ensure the layer is editable. Cities underscore layer dot start editing. Then added a new field name equal zip underscore code. PR equals cities layer dot data provider. Check if field already exists. If a new field name not in field name for field in cities underscore layer dot fields. PR dot added attributes. QGIS field new field name, comma QVariant dot string, and cities underscore layer dot update fields. Define a list of example zip codes. Zip code underscore codes equal 44001 for Erbil and 46001, 42001, 46018. The index of the new field, zip underscore fields underscore index equals cities underscore layer dot fields dot index from name, field name, new field name. Check if the field was added successfully. If zip underscore fields underscore index not equal -1, loop through each feature and assign a zip code. For I, comma feature in enumerate cities underscore layer dot get features and zip code equal zip codes I percentage length of zip codes. Cities underscore dot change attribute value feature dot ID zip field index comma zip code. Commit changes to save the update. Cities underscore layer commit cities underscore layer dot commit changes. After that, print zip codes updated successfully. In the attribute table of KRG cities, we have city, population area, and type. Then we run the script, zip code added to the field. For example, we have the field zip code 1. We delete it using QGIS script. Number 8, deleting a field. Start editing the cities layer. Cities underscore layer dot start editing. Find the index of field, zip code 1. Field index equals cities underscore layer dot fields dot index from name, zip code 1. Check if the field exists. If field exists equal -1, print field zip code 1 does not exist in the layer. Else delete the field by its index. Cities underscore layer dot data provider dot delete attributes using field index. Then update the layer fields to reflect the changes. Cities underscore layer dot update fields and commit changes to save the deletion. Cities underscore layer commit changes, print field zip code 1 has been deleted. We run the script. Now field zip underscore code 1 does not exist in the layer. Number 9, exporting vector data. Lastly, we will export vector data to new formats such as shapefile and GeoJSON. Starting with the export layer to shapefile. From QGIS.core, import QGIS vector field writer. Define the output path. Output path equal my path. Cities underscore output dot shapefile. Check if the layer is valid. If not, cities underscore dot is valid. Print error. The cities layer is not valid. Else, ensure the output directory exists. Import OS. Output directory equal os.path. their name, output path. If not, os path.exists output dir, os.make directories. So if the directory not exists, create the directory output dir. Then export the layer to the shapefile, error equal QGIS vector file write as vector format, cities_layer layer to export and output path. We defined out our output path and encoding UTF-8 cities_layer.crs, the projection, and driver name is the shapefile. Check if the export was successful. If error O equal QGIS vector file writer dot not error, print layer export successfully to the path, else print error exporting layer. We select and copy the script, paste it inside new editor, then run the script to export the KRG cities shapefile to a new shapefile. It's export to output folder. Cities output shapefile. Layer export successfully to this path. Now let's export in the cities layer to a GeoJSON file. We changed the style from shapefile to .geojson. The same encoding, the same output path and cities layer. We use the same projection, but we changed the driver name instead of shapefile to GeoJSON. We select and copy the code to export the cities shapefile as GeoJSON. Then go to Python and open new editor, paste the code, then run the script. The output, layer exported successfully to the path. We go to the path to confirm, yes, the cities output.geojson is exported successfully. In conclusion, in this session, we have explored the basic and advanced techniques for working with the vector layers in PyQGIS. You can now load, style, query, edit, manipulate attributes, and export vector data efficiently. These skills are essential for any geospatial automation tasks in QGIS.